Hi Bradley, this is Minimal Nerd, and I want to thank you first for having me in this collab video. What's my favorite piece of tech of 2021? Definitely, it's gonna be the MacBook Pro 14-inch with the M1 Pro. So I've been using this one for almost 3 weeks now, and I've been really amazed by how fast it can render video files. Like the display, especially the ProMotion display, is really stunning. And it's been something that I've been waiting for on Macs for, I don't know, for a long time. So I'm really impressed by the M1 Pro inside of this. And what really makes it a special piece of tech for me in this year is because for quite some time, Apple been really struggling to push the limits of the MacBook, especially because of the limitation that Intel was kind of having with their CPU architecture. So Apple now is kind of free to push the boundaries, and I've been waiting for a long time to really see what the MacBook really can do with the Apple Silicon. So this for me was really an amazing upgrade. I still have my MacBook Air M1, and this beast is really destroying all the tasks that I throw at it, and it's been really a pleasure using it for at least like 3 weeks. So I'm gonna be doing more videos about it on my channel. You can guys check it out. And yeah, this for me is the best piece of tech in this year, and it was a surprise for me in terms of the performance. I suspect a lot of people were also surprised about the kind of performance that we got from this in this really beautiful chassis and design. So MacBook Pro 14-inch M1 Pro, that's for me the best tech of the year.